Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Lilian here, back again. So today is a great day, you guys. December is already here. I don't know how to feel about this. Yani, this year just flew. Umwaka umepepea, you guys. Just the other day tulikuwa January, and then mwezi wa tatu Corona came and things just got reshuffled and we didn't know what to do. But now guys, hakuna kitu aina mwisho. Hadi mimi niko kwa hiyo squad ya January 2021. We're hoping that we'll wake up to a whole new year and a whole new world. We just keep the faith, and I know God is going to do something great. So it's December and we're doing Vlogmas. So this is Vlogmas day 2, because I promised myself that last year I'm gonna do Vlogmas each and every day, but due to a few things that I need to meet, I'll be doing like on once every 2 days. So if I do on 2nd December, I'm gonna do the next Vlogmas on 4th, the next one on 6th, na yengine hivyo like on even days. So guys, I just woke up. It's around 1 p.m. here. So I just woke up and I just wanna go to the kitchen and see whether I can get something to chill. After which I'm supposed to cook and wash utensils, order the house, blah blah blah, before I talk any in the hustle. So first thing, when I wake up, I ensure that I have made my bed. Yeah, I just fold the duvet, you guys, and put it on the bed, and then pull the nets over to the side of the wall and put the duvet up on mwisho bed and straighten the, what is it called now, your bed sheet. But today vile nasikia nimechoka hata sija straighten vizuri, but it's okay. So I head to the kitchen and then I forget my camera and I'm back. Going to the kitchen, everything is everywhere. I usually use the back door because I just like going through the kitchen. Jana kwanga nayo, you guys, my fridge is empty. Oh my god, what am I gonna eat now? What am I gonna cook now? I have to go to the market. I have to go and buy some groceries. So I dress up and then I go. And every time I dress up, I must dance to ensure that those clothes are comfy on me, and then make a pose before I leave. And I have a bag. I'm back from the market, guys. I didn't get a chance to make a video of the market and then the supermarket, but then here I am. I'm back. So just bought a few things, some chocolate for me and Kinder Joy for Lenny. Lenny is at grandma's, but I know he'll be coming soon, so I had to buy Kinder for him. Kinder Joy for him, so when he comes, he'll enjoy. Anapenda sana. So I just bought a few things. Juice ilikuwa too urgent, sizi kana fridge kwa empty. So a few juices and few yogurts and tomatoes. So I always wash my tomatoes before I put them in the fridge. I wash them and then I dry them. The camera didn't really focus on that part, but as you can see there, I am drying the tomatoes and putting in a different sufuria. So once I'm done, I'm gonna put them in the fridge. I also bought some minjis, and since I'm not cooking minjis today, nitazika tu hapo kwa fridge, and then I'm gonna cook later. I'm gonna wrap them with a cling film to ensure that they don't wither. Yeah. So that's it, guys. This is the first Vlogmas. Yeah, first of all, I'm gonna put the fresh tomatoes, and then hii imebaki moja, I have to cook with it today. Yes, feeling the na mapilipili hoho hizo hapo nimeziosha nikazieka hapo. Now what next? Let's see what next. Guys, I'm really excited about December, and sisi kuna mali nimealikwa. Aki kama mnakula Christmas kwenyu, usinialike tu nikuje niwasaidie kukula hiyo mbuzi. Alright. Anyway, I'm peeling. I peeled my garlic and washed my ginger. Put them in a dish, and I'm gonna store them in the fridge to avoid wasting time every time I'm cooking. Peel. Now I'm putting water in these containers so that I can store my dania. I just realized, you guys, when you store dania in the fridge, bado ina wither after some time, but then when you store dania in the fridge, when they are in a container of water, when the roots are in water, they won't wither. Zitaendelea tu kwa hivyo fresh. So this is an hack. Like kama unataka kustore dania, weke kwa either kwa dish, weke maji, then you put the roots inside the water, or you put them in a container, then you store them in the fridge. Yeah, so that's it for now. Imebaki ni ya kupika leo. Na hiyo dania ni kidogo, sasa kwa nimenunua dania mingi hivyo alafu nipike na dania kidogo leo. Yeah, so let's put these ones kwa fridge, tuziweke vile hizo zingine zitatosha na pia tubakishe space. Yeah, chukua hizo zingine, let's put them in the fridge. Yay! My fridge is looking like a green forest. Yeah. Ginger and garlic there. So nikitaka tu kupika nitachukua tu na kata and then naponda. Freezer iko empty, but Saturday is coming. I'll do the boiling. I'm done, guys. Yeah. Oh, I remember I didn't put my lemons inside the year. Ukika lemons kwa fridge zio kaka, at least zinaweza kuserve for some time. Yeah, rather than zikwa nje zinavuta hewa mingi and humidity and what have you. Bye guys, see you on Vlogmas.